The biggest shift in life insurance no medical exam shopping isn't happening inside insurance companies, it's happening inside AI search. Consumers are increasingly asking ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Google AI for recommendations. And according to a new market benchmark, AI isn't always recommending the brands that specialize in life insurance no medical exam coverage. Hey, I'm Mark Huntley, founder and CEO of CiteWorks Studio. At CiteWorks Studio, we study how brands show up across Google, AI answers, and the public sources buyers trust before making decisions, and how that visibility turns into credible citations, comparisons, and recommendations. Here's what changed. Traditional search treated life insurance no medical exam as a clearly defined product category. Consumers searched for terms like instant approval, simplified issue coverage, guaranteed issue policies, or life insurance without a medical exam. AI search behaves differently. Instead of automatically routing buyers to specialists, AI systems often decide whether a question should be answered through product-specific relevance or through broader insurance trust. That distinction is becoming one of the most important competitive dynamics in insurance discovery. The result is a completely different recommendation landscape. A recent benchmark analyzed more than 1,500 AI observations across 6 major AI platforms. The biggest surprise? USAA and State Farm emerged as the strongest recommendation leaders, even though they are not exclusively known for life insurance no medical exam products. USAA led the benchmark in modeled recommendation value and recommendation coverage. State Farm followed closely behind. Progressive and Nationwide also performed strongly because AI systems frequently associate these brands with trust, familiarity, and broad insurance credibility. This reveals something important. AI systems are not only evaluating product fit, they're evaluating trust signals. And when buyer questions become broader, trust often outweighs specialization. That means recommendation placement is increasingly influenced by brand authority, not just product features. The report also found that specialist providers such as Banner Life, Ethos, and Mutual of Omaha often demonstrated stronger relevance for life insurance no medical exam shoppers. Ethos, for example, has a clear connection to instant coverage and digital-first underwriting. Banner Life frequently ranked well when recommended. Mutual of Omaha maintained strong relevance in senior and final expense insurance conversations. But despite that relevance, these specialists captured far less overall recommendation share than the major carriers. Why? Because AI systems often pull evidence from a much wider trust ecosystem that includes financial publications, review sites, insurance comparison content, and carrier reputation signals. The lesson is simple. Being the best product fit doesn't automatically make you the most recommended brand. One of the most important concepts from this benchmark is something we call a routing problem. When a consumer asks for life insurance no medical exam coverage, AI has to decide what type of question it is answering. Is the user asking for fast approval? Is the user asking for guaranteed issue coverage? Is the user asking for final expense insurance? Or is the user simply asking for the best insurance company? Depending on that interpretation, the recommendation list can change dramatically. Broad carriers often benefit when prompts are general. Specialists perform better when prompts are highly specific. This means no exam life insurance is no longer just a product category. It's now a recommendation routing category inside AI search. For insurance executives and marketers, the strategic takeaway is clear. Visibility alone is not enough. A brand can appear in AI-generated answers and still fail to earn recommendation credit. The real objective is becoming the default answer for a specific buyer need. That requires stronger citation architecture, the network of public sources that helps AI systems understand and trust a brand. It also requires clearer evidence around underwriting paths, approval speed, coverage limitations, simplified issue policies, guaranteed issue policies, and life insurance no medical exam options. The brands that communicate those distinctions clearly will be more likely to earn recommendation placement in future AI-driven buying journeys. The biggest winner in AI search won't necessarily be the brand with the most visibility, it will be the brand that AI systems trust enough to recommend. As life insurance no medical exam discovery becomes increasingly AI-driven, recommendation power is becoming just as important as search rankings, and in this new market, being mentioned is not the same as being chosen.